Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to redeem codes in WWE 2K24. Before we begin, consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done that already. So this is going to be really easy and super simple to do so. Let's just begin with our process. So if you're not sure how to do that, in the main menu you're going to be simply selecting my faction. So you will having this setting onto your screen. Eventually, once you do that, choose locker codes from the home tab. So make sure that you're on locker codes on your home tab. Eventually, once you are there, enter the locker code you want to redeem and be sure to include any hyphens in the code. So most of the time what is going to be happening is the promo codes are gonna be having this hyphens in between the dash, you can say, that type of line. Eventually, once you do that, you're going to be getting your code up and ready to be enjoyed. So congratulations, you should have some new swag to enjoy. So consider subscribing if this video was helpful. Stay tuned for more and see you guys around in the next video.